Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So you've probably clicked on this video because you've got your Sony camera and you want to use it as a webcam, maybe to stream or maybe just to record your screen and also have a face cam. But you don't have a capture card to connect your camera to your computer. So with Sony's new software, this will make things a lot more easier. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so first what you want to do is download the software on Sony's website. I'll put a link down in the description so you can go download it. Just select your camera in the list that they give you and then download their program. After you've downloaded it, just make sure to restart your computer boots back up, and then you're all set to go. But before we turn the camera into a webcam, we have to fix some settings in the camera. So on the website, they tell you how to change each of these settings on your selected camera. If you've got the A7 III as well, what you want to do is go into menu, then go to the toolbox icon, go to page 4 out of 7, click on USB connection and change that to PC remote. After you've done that, don't get off menu just yet, you've still got one more step. So go into network, page 1, control with smartphone and turn that off. Now you're all clear to connect your camera with a USB cable to your computer. Okay, so now you want to open up your recording software. So I use OBS for this, and so I'm going to open up OBS. Once you're in OBS, you want to go to sources and then click the little plus icon down the bottom left of that tab. Click video capture device, name it whatever you want. I've just left it video capture device, and then you click OK. Once you click OK, it's going to come up with a bunch of settings they want you to change. What you want to do for device is change it to Sony camera imaging edge. And then you go wait a little bit and then it will just load up and your webcam is set up basically. So another thing to keep in mind is that it only does 720p. Damn! Which is more than good enough if you're just going to try and stream or record your screen for a bit, or maybe like you editing and you don't want to go through the effort of having to record your face and your screen separately, then putting it all in post together, when you can just do it all in one program. Thanks for watching this video guys. I hope you found it really helpful and you guys got your camera set up. If you guys are having any trouble, let me know in the comments and I can try my best to help you and look more into it. But anyway guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.